Alright, welcome guys to a new YouTube video. Today we are POV driving to the gym. Today it is back day and we're going to the gym a little bit earlier of the normal that I go is 7:50. I want to try to actually go earlier every day. So right now I am going at 7:50, but tomorrow I really want to go in the morning so I can start going in the morning again. So it's kind of got weird because on Monday I had some stuff to do, well, yesterday. So basically I had some stuff to do and it kind of messed up my time. And then yesterday I went to the gym, but I just went to the gym late in the night. So I was not gonna go late in the night to then go in the morning. So what I'm gonna do is do it now, and then tomorrow morning I hit the gym again. It's not gonna be 24-hour recovery, but it's gonna be some recovery, and then from there I just start going again in the morning. So we are chill today. I didn't forget anything today. I didn't forget my straps. I didn't forget nothing. Well, I hope so. Hope I didn't forget anything. I think I got my two. Hold on. Yeah, I got my two tripods, my two phones. I got my keys. I got everything. I checked already everything, so I should be fine. Got some messages to actually answer, so let me actually check that just real quick. I'm driving now to the gym. I'm driving to the gym now. I'll text you later. Alright, so I was entering some messages. So now let's get to work, which is actually basically drive. I don't want to use my phone just in case. I don't want any cop to get into me. So let me save my keys, let me save my wallet, let me save my stuff. I want to work out, do some cardio. Today I'm eating some tuna, and then I'm doing some hot chocolate for the night. So tonight I'm doing hot chocolate. Right after I shower, I'm gonna do that. I really like hot chocolate, and so I can chill tonight. I got some stuff to do. Then I'm gonna see if I can chill and post a video, which I should have something ready. I'm not really sure. Yeah, I think I have a POV driving ready that I can post right now, like literally right now, which I think I'm gonna do it right now, because I have seen when I post videos kind of late, it's like it's not the same, you know, it doesn't take the same views. So I'm gonna try. Let me see. I think I have it ready. Yeah, because every time I post videos I have two uploads, so I have two videos ready. So I should have a POV drive, and yeah, there you go, I do have one ready. And what I'm gonna do is just put it public now, so it's gonna be public, and then I'm actually gonna change the title to POV late drive to the gym. And now I'm actually good, so I'm gonna post this one. So I have something ready there. Yeah, there you go. And I do have a video of chest day, which doesn't have any views, and then my last legs day too just had one view, which is very weird and unlikely. I don't know why. I don't know what happened there, but it is what it is. Shorts, I'm pretty good. I do have a couple more shorts that I need to post today. I do have some stuff that are ready. All I need to do is actually post. So all I need to do is today get to post some stuff. I actually have a video ready for my Instagram account and for even YouTube and even TikTok. So it is ready. All I need to do is do a caption or something, and then that should be it. But that is gonna be something for later for me to do when I go back home. So we are actually going to try to get there, try to work out. Back day should be good. That's a nice Porsche Panamera. Yeah, should be good today. I got the straps too. I feel good. I didn't eat anything at all. I'm gonna drink some creatine. I drank some creatine already of mine, but I want to drink some creatine from there as well. I don't want pre-workout, to be honest. I don't feel I'm like that weak. Work was fine today. So you guys know I do work 7 hours a day, from Monday to Fridays. Then Saturdays I work 6. So that's where I have my 40s. So and there's a lot of ladders, I'm sorry. And that's a nice Ram. I'll do like Ram, like pickup trucks. 1500. I was actually going to like try to make a business of it. I was trying to get like one with a down payment, and then I was gonna like do gardening, and then I was gonna buy tools, and I was gonna do like gardening job work to like with people houses, you know. And I was gonna do that, which it's not bad, but I just don't want to do any physical type of job, you know. I don't want to be outside and doing that, because I did already, and it was very unpleasant, and it gets to the point where it's kind of hard and a lot of pain, and the payment is not that good. So I'm actually very interested in more stuff to invest, but not gardening anymore. So I was trying to get that Ram 1500 to get it, and the excuse was going to be one of those to try to make money from it, you know. And thanks God I did it, because the interest was going to be like a lot, you know. Like unless instead of me buying a GoPro, Sony A7 IV, the professional camera, professional lenses, another PC, I would have used all my cash, you know, and probably just put it towards a truck. And that truck, I was gonna try to make money from it. So I was probably gonna buy a truck of $28,000, and probably I was gonna put like $10,000 in down payment, which is not bad, you know, because I was gonna try to make money from it. But then I was going to have to buy the tools. So it was gonna be a truck, and then tools, and then gas, insurance, and then maintenance and whatever. It was gonna be a lot. So I'm actually happy that I didn't, because I do make payments from the cameras and stuff, but I don't pay interest on it, because I have a special credit cards like Apple Card that you can get the iPhone. They'll pay interest. The Best Buy credit card that I bought the camera, and then, well, the GoPro I put it on cash. But the PC I bought it on 12 months interest free from Chase with Amazon, the Amazon Prime card. So, you know, I do make payments every single month on this, but I don't make any interest payments. So it's like, it's a loan, but it's a good loan. And on top of this, that is a good loan because I'm trying to make money from it. I'm actually learning a lot of stuff, and I'm building my brand. On top of all that, on top of it, what the fuck is this? Like, what the fuck is this? Alright guys, I think I made a mistake coming at this time. Like, what the fuck? Oh shit. All right, I caught myself with my camera thing where I saved the camera. I don't know from what. I gotta check it out actually. Kind of hit me really hard. I didn't realize that I felt it, and then I was bleeding through my clothes and shit, and I was like, what the fuck? When did this happen? Hold on, I gotta check to see if I have my two phones. Yeah, I do. All right, I gotta go from here because I'm coming tomorrow morning, so woo. I actually want to check the cot, which I don't understand how it was that, like how I caught like that. Kinda weird though, but thanks God it was all after the workout, because I don't know if I was gonna be able, well yeah, I was gonna be able to. I'm not gay, no pussy, I work out. But anyways, it was gonna be uncomfortable to be able to do that, and then bleeding, you know, it was gonna be like a mess. You know, you can't leave blood in a machine where someone else is gonna use it. You know, that's disrespectful and very disgusting, annoying, and no hygiene. So of course I can't do that. So I'm grateful that I count myself right after the workout. It was literally when I was done with the workout. I was like, this is it. And then I was saving all my stuff, and right there I caught myself. All right, pretty much done, and now we gotta go home, do some dinner. I was thinking in eggs, but I did 6 eggs already. I can't lose 12 eggs in a day. Can't do that, you know. So what I'm gonna do is actually gonna go and thinking in tuna, some yogurt, Greek yogurt, and I was thinking as well on, dang, I don't have chocolate milk, but I was thinking on chocolate, hot chocolate. So I think I'm gonna do that. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that. So 9:10, usually I come back by like 10:30 when I come like at 8:30 or 9. Kind of hard, you know. So what I did was, let's go at 7. So I was actually there at 8 o'clock flat. So I'm getting out of there at 9:11. So I took 1 hour and 10 minutes to finish a workout, basically. So now I just gotta do some dinner. I'm not gonna shower until I get the dinner, get it ready, eat, and at the same time I'm gonna be editing, getting the videos ready, so tomorrow I can go to the gym too. I want to go to sleep early today. I don't want to go to sleep that late today. Right, life's going great, not gonna lie. It's not like going all right, it's going on process. So in a couple of weeks I gotta actually start with the paid ads. So I need paid ads to do promotion to my consultations, so people to see my content, and I need that to people to see me. So I think I need that, and from there I think everything is gonna be better. Now I'm gonna have more reach for more people, so reaching more people, so every day. So let's see how it goes. Let's get there. Oh, I'm happy that I didn't, excited, I'm actually glad that I didn't do any cardio. I just do it tomorrow morning when I have more, you know, have strength, I have more energy in the morning. I drink some water, I drink some stuff, and then I get it. But if I do it now when I'm done with work and I'm done with everything, I'm tired, you know, it's gonna be tough. Which actually now I have to go and check my clothes on the stuff. I put put a load on my clothes, so I gotta actually see that and organize kind of in there as well. So I got some work to do, and it's 9 o'clock. It's always something to do, always something to do in my house, always something to clean, something to organize, something to do in my computer, something to do in whatever, which I like. But sometimes, you know, you want to chill. But there's always something that I have to do, always have to do, or organize. Well, and more because my room now, it used to be empty. It used to be like just a bed. It used to be literally, I just had my bed and like my table with my monitors, but then it got to the point where I didn't have any dresser or anything like that. So now I have a dresser, I have an L desk and the old desk, which is a nice desk too, a standing desk too, and then I have 2 chairs on there, one for my girl, one for me, or for anybody that goes there. Then on top of that, it's not just that, I'm gonna have a fridge in there, I have a whiteboard in there, I have the bed, acoustic panels. I basically did that my room as a studio for a lot of things, to be able to work on my things. So it's like there's a lot of things, and now it gets more dirty because I have more stuff. So the camera actually stopped recording. I was talking about a lot of things, so I don't really know when did it stop recording. So I hope it was not like 5 minutes or 10 minutes ago. I hope it was